Good morning from my garden. It is a really sunny weekend. We've had a lot of rain this week, but nice to be back in the garden. This week again, just really admin, heavy on the garden, doing a bit of weeding, checking, moving some things around, thinning some things out. But I wanted to show you the progress on something I planted a couple of weeks ago. I showed you taking supermarket potatoes and chopping off the sort of funny bits that began to grow, and I put them in these with some soil, and I want to show you the progress. So this is the first one. You can see there is a little bit of growth. A tomato has grown. They are growing from everywhere. So that is going all right, but this one, look how amazing this is doing. Amazing. This is so much growth. Here's Cooper to come and say hi. So much growth over the potatoes. So these are going to go into the garden in a more suitable place because it actually worked. So I'll plant these out, but it just shows that even from supermarket potatoes, you can grow something from scratch, even in a tiny bit of soil to begin with. And these are just going to go in a random bit in the garden and see if they work. The next job for the day will be repotting these into bigger ones because they are huge. This is the tomato plants. Gonna have to be careful, they're all a bit bendy and need some support. So I'll go and find some big pots for those, pot them up, and hopefully they'll be able to spread out nicely on the windowsill. Here are the new tomatoes all planted up. I've got them in height order, might change that. Starting with the smallest one, all the way up to the ginormous plant that we have. And this is just amazing. I just think back to the fail that I had with actually trying to grow these, and now we have 5 healthy tomato plants. My gran took one as well, so there's something happening here. Maybe that's the start of some tomatoes, who knows. Gonna water these in, give them a bit of tomato fertilizer, and yeah, just so happy with these. I'll just give you a quick update on the herb garden. We've had a few funny things that we've been trying out, and got a couple of things to plant out today, and I'll show you some of the stuff that we've been growing. Our herb garden sits along next to the back door. This is a big bay tree that we have that's been growing really well. Here's actually our peas, so they sit there. You'll have seen them being grown in the first week. We have rosemary, I believe, thyme. Oh my goodness, I've completely forgot. And then this is a basil plant that was in the kitchen. It was kind of dying, so we planted it outside. Hopefully something might happen. And these are rows of mint that my dad has picked out. We weren't sure what was weeds and what wasn't, so we've been planting it out, and it's now growing like a forest, which is great. And in here, my dad likes to put things in rows, and we work out what they are later. So these are, we've worked out our weeds. So these are being removed, and this little guy is getting put in place. So this is the sage plant that we got from propagating sage leaves in water. This is also going to go in because it's been growing pretty well in water. So this is going in, this plant that's been in soil in the kitchen is going in, and it'll be in place between chives, which we're trying to revive, and the bay tree.
today's video has been super short, but next week I am going to take you on a full garden tour just to see all the progress and show you how everything's going, because I think we're getting close to harvesting some things. So look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!